Want to know how to use a garbage collection in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So I have also written this code right here to explain it furthermore, so you can just simply copy up and modify it yourself. So in Java, memory cleanup is automatic using garbage collection. Here we make an object and then set it to null. Now it's simply unused. So you can see this obj has been selected to null. So when we call system.gc method, so we have called it right here, we suggest Java to clean it up. And then the finalize keyword that is located right here runs before deletion, which shows a message you usually don't manage memory manually. But this shows how it works behind the scenes. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.